What if I told you blockchain will revolutionize your daily life? Blockchain is not just about cryptocurrencies. In the next few seconds, you'll learn how it's reshaping the future. Imagine a world where transactions are secure, transparent, and instantaneous. From banking to real estate, blockchain increases efficiency. Ever wished you could track every product's journey from start to finish? Blockchain lets you do just that with supply chains. Smart contracts could replace traditional legal processes. Think of automated, error-free deals sealed in seconds. Healthcare records? Safer and more accessible than ever. Artists could protect their work with blockchain copyrights. Did you know voting could be tamper-proof, ensuring fair elections? Incorporate blockchain, and the possibilities are endless. Investing now might be like getting in on the internet early. Hit the like button if you found this insight valuable.